Hi, and welcome to another video from the collection of website builder guides and video tutorials. In this video, you are going to learn how to create your own mobile-friendly website from start to finish at home without any extensive IT knowledge other than your normal day-to-day use of the internet. All you'll need is an internet connection and laptop or PC. The theme used in this tutorial is very light and responsive. It works on all devices, it's fast and works great on mobile phones, and it's ideal for websites or personal blogs. This tutorial will guide you through the whole process of creating a website, including acquiring hosting, using WordPress dashboard, installing WordPress theme and all necessary plugins, adding WordPress forms to web pages, and using Elementor page builder to complete your website. This video is an in-depth step-by-step guide, and it covers main steps that needs to be completed in order to create a website. Follow this video from start to finish, use timestamps if need to, and learn how to build your own website in under 1 hour. Before we proceed, I'd like to take a minute to explain the process and requirements for creating a new website. And in order to create one, we will need a website hosting and domain name. Website hosting are provided by various companies that rent out their services and technologies to host websites on the internet. Once the hosting company hosts your website, anyone can access it by typing in your web address in their web browser, and when they do this, their computer connects to the server your website is hosted on. And domain name is just the name of your website or online blog. Okay, we can now proceed to create our website. If you scroll down to this video description and click on Bluehost discount link, this will take you to the Bluehost web page with discount already applied. The link will work worldwide and your currency will change according to your location. Click on Get Started and choose your plan. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to choose Basic Plan, which comes with one website, 10 GB of SSD storage, and free domain. You can read through all available plans and choose the one that's more suitable to you. But if you are looking just for one website, I would recommend to stick with a basic plan. And please note, if you decide that Bluehost is not suitable to you for whatever reason, you can cancel your subscription and get your money back within 30 days from the day you purchase Bluehost hosting. Next, we are going to choose our free domain. Make sure it's one of the kind, unique, and not owned by anyone else. At this point, I'm going to show you how to claim an additional hidden discount to add to the one you already claimed by clicking the link in the description of this video. If you move your mouse pointer as if you want to close the page, you will get an option to claim an additional special sign-up offer. All you have to do is to claim savings. This is now changed accordingly, and Bluehost will automatically apply the cheapest option of hosting, which comes with longest period of time. Please choose the one that suits your needs. I'm going to choose 12 months, and I'm going to untick all the package extras as none of them are really essential to our website. With 2 discounts applied and current 70% off Bluehost promo, the hosting will cost you in the UK around £35, in the US around $41, and around €40 anywhere within the EU. Please note, all costs and promotions captured at the time of recording this video and may be slightly different when you decide to purchase Bluehost hosting. From this point, fill in your information and proceed to payment. Click on See More Payment Options to check out with PayPal. At this point, you will receive the email from the Bluehost to verify your account via your email address. All you have to do is to go to your email address, find the email from Bluehost that prompts you to verify the account, and click on Verify Your Email. Please note, from this point onwards, it could take up to 2 hours for your domain to be activated. You could still carry on setting up your account in the meantime. Go back to previous page and click Create Account. At this stage, you are going to create your new password to be able to log into Bluehost web hosting. Make sure you remember it or make note of it somewhere, as this is the password that you're going to be using every time to log into Bluehost and edit your website. Retype your password created earlier and click Login. Skip next 3 steps in which Bluehost are trying to help you to create your new website. We are going to be using WordPress dashboard and Elementor builder to create our website later. And there we are. We've successfully set up our account and we can now move on to building our website. Click Login to WordPress to begin. The page you're looking at now is the main WordPress dashboard. The left-hand side navigation menu consists of many options and features that we'll be using throughout this video to apply various changes and modify a new web page. If you click on the home icon in the left-hand corner, this will take you to your current website with the theme that's been applied by the WordPress. This is the very basic theme with very few options, and in the remainder of this video we are going to be modifying and working on our own theme and bringing a website to the look we'd like to present to the world. Click back onto the dashboard, scroll down to Appearance and click on Themes. On the main page, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Add New Theme. In its search theme bar, type Curve Flow. Highlight the theme and click Install. Once installed, click Activate. Once activated, click on Home tab and visit your site. As you can see, the theme now have changed and it is now no longer the default theme applied by the WordPress. It still comes with a very basic look, but we will be changing it in the course of this video. Next, we are going to edit page title, background, and sidebar of our website. Click on Customize on the top ribbon and choose Site Identity. In here, you can rename the title of your website. You could also add a tagline, or if you already have logo for your website, you can apply logo instead of site title and tagline. And to do that, delete the applied site title and tagline, click Select Logo, and upload logo from your computer. As you can see, your logo will be applied to the title of your website. If you would like to view your web page in the full screen mode, click Hide Controls at the bottom of the page, and you will be able to see the changes you applied in the full screen mode. Bring back controls to keep editing. Go back to Customization menu and choose Background Image. Click Select Image and upload image from your computer in the same way we did when uploading logo. A new background applied. You can hide controls to view your page with a newly added background. To save applied changes, bring back controls and click Publish on the top of the Customization menu. Next, we are going to customize sidebar of our website. Click back to the main menu and choose Widgets. In this menu, by using widgets, you can expand and customize the sidebar of your website. You can keep those sections if you like and simply edit the text within those sections to make sure it's relevant to your website. To edit the text sections, expand them on the left-hand side, and within the title menu, simply overtype to what would you like the content to be changed to. Once title changed, same goes for editing any information within the text sections. Simply delete and type your own text. Once completed, collapse section and move on to editing the next one. To add new widget to your sidebar, click Add Widget and choose from the variety of different widgets and add them to your sidebar. Once completed, collapse your new section. To reorder your sections within your sidebar, simply hover over the tabs of the sections until you see cross arrows showing and drag them up and down to rearrange your sections. To delete widget from your sidebar, simply expand the widget you'd like to delete, scroll down to the bottom of the widget, and in the left-hand corner, simply click Delete. As you can see, the new section widget is removed from our sidebar. You can add as many widgets as you like. The process is exactly the same. Click Add Widget, choose widget you'd like to add, and simply add it to your sidebar. If the widget includes image, video, or files, simply direct it to the folder you'd like to upload it from and upload it to your sidebar. If it's something already available within widget, i.e. calendar, navigation menu, search bar, simply choose it and add it to your sidebar. Once completed, click Publish to save changes. Okay, next we're going to add social network menu to our sidebar. Promoting product or services via social network have a huge impact on success of your website. Hence, adding visible access to your sidebar will help to promote your site and generate more audience. So, to add social network menu to your sidebar, expand your editing menu, go to Theme option and choose Header. In this menu, within the Header social links, if not already highlighted, enable social link icon buttons. Once Header social links activated, go back to the main menu, go to Theme options again, and choose Social Links. Expand Social Link 1 and write the title of your first social link you'd like to add to your sidebar. As you can see, nothing happened within the sidebar just yet. To activate relevant social network icon in your sidebar, within Icon Name tab, after FA- abbreviation, which means Font Awesome Icons, simply type the name of the social network you'd like to add. Once completed, this social network icon will appear in your sidebar. Once completed, simply type the URL link to your social network. You can further customize the icon by changing colors, Once completed, click Publish to save changes. Okay, let's test our newly created social network to make sure it works correctly. Click on the just added Facebook link, and as you can see, it will take you to the relevant Facebook page in the new browser tab. By repeating the same steps within Customize menu, you can add all of your social network to your website sidebar. Simply go back to Theme Options, Social Links, click Add New Social Link, and repeat the same steps we already covered earlier in this video. To rearrange the order of your social links, simply hover over the social link you'd like to rearrange and drag it anywhere within your sidebar. To remove the social link, expand the social link you'd like to remove, scroll down to the bottom of the social link editing menu and click Remove. Click Publish to save changes. Okay, now that we've added the content to our sidebar, I'm going to show you how you can change the layout and change the position of the sidebar on your website. If you expand controls again, click on Theme Options and choose Layouts. Within the Global Layout section, you can either keep the sidebar on the left-hand side by the default, you can move it to the right-hand side, or you can get rid of it altogether and just have a plain view widescreen page. As you go through stages building your website, you can check how your website would look on different devices throughout the process. If you expand the control again, at the bottom of the page in the left-hand corner, you can change the devices you'd like to check the appearance of your website. You can check the look on the tablet view, mobile phones, and back to desktop view. Obviously, your website will look different the more content you add, but it is a good practice to check throughout the process how your website will look on different devices to make sure you're happy with the look of the website. Okay, our website sidebar is now completed. We can now move on to editing our homepage. And to do it, we will need to install a couple of plugins. If you go back to WordPress dashboard, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Plugins. Choose Add New, and in the bar where it says Search Plugins, type Elementor. Click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. As you can see, plugin activated. Go back to Plugins, click Add New again, and within Search Plugins, type Elementor again. Now, you don't have to do this, but I would recommend to install this second plugin called Essential Add-ons for Elementor, as it will expand your options when building your website and give you a lot more additional elements that you will be able to add to your website. Click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. Once that's done, open your web page and click Edit Page with Elementor. Okay, similar to WordPress dashboard and WordPress editing so far, Elementor will offer you a navigation menu on the left-hand side from which you will be able to choose and add various elements to your website by using simple drag and drop techniques. There are plenty elements to choose from, and by installing Essential Add-ons plugin, which we did earlier, the variety of elements increased. You can upgrade to Pro version of Elementor and expand your editing possibilities even further to include more advanced features and WooCommerce options. There is enough options in free version of Elementor to start your website. Therefore, I'd recommend to start with free version, especially if it's your first website, and then decide if you'd like to expand your options. If you do decide to upgrade, check the link in the description below to get the latest deals. Okay, we can now start editing page with Elementor. Before we proceed, I'm going to remove top section added as a default by this theme, and I'm also going to remove page title. We already have a page title within the main navigation ribbon, hence there's no reason to have a duplicate, and it will also allow us to fit more information on the page. To remove already added section, hover over the section and click Delete Section in the right hand corner. To remove page title, scroll down to the bottom of the page and in the left hand corner, click Settings. Within the General Setting tab, scroll down to the section where it says Hide Title and change tick box to Yes. As you can see, this will hide our page title and allow us to build website from scratch using Elementor Page Builder. To add new section to our website, click on the plus button in the middle of the screen and add new section. Now, this will open a new menu which will let you to select your structure, which means it will let you to pick up the layout and variety of different sections you can add to your website. First, we're going to choose full width 1 section. Now, with this section added, Click on the plus button again, and this will bring up the elements you can drag into your section. First, we're going to add a heading. Simply hover over the section you'd like to add and drag it in the middle of newly added section. Once that's done, you can simply replace default text to the one that's relevant to your website. Click small pen in the right hand corner, and within Content tab, simply overtype the text that's more relevant to your website. You can add URL link to your text and guide your audience to visit an external source if you'd like. You can change size of the text. And alignment of the text. Once that's done, click on Style. Within this tab, you'll be able to customize text color, change typography, further customize size of the text, apply text weight, transform your text. You can transform into lowercase if uppercase already applies, and otherwise uppercase if the lowercase applied. Apply style, add some decoration, change line height, change letter spacing, and change word spacing. If at any point you find yourself applying way too many editing and changes and would like to get back to default, simply highlight the back to default tick, and when I apply it, everything will get back to the initial stage of editing. You can also edit text stroke and add some text shadow. Once completed, click Advanced tab. And just before you dive into editing Advanced tab, you can check the look of your website on different devices at any point of building your website. And to do that, scroll down to the bottom of the page and in the left-hand corner, click Responsive Mode. This will bring up an additional ribbon at the top of the page, from which you can check the look of your website on different devices. You can hide Elementor controls and view the page in full screen. As you can see, our website is starting to look a little bit more personal compared to the default theme applied by the WordPress. Let's bring back Elementor controls and get back to our editing. Okay, the next stage is editing using the advanced settings. This is where you'll be able to expand and have the biggest variety of modification you can apply to your sections. As with anything in Elementor, the best way to learn is to learn by doing. Just play around with settings, apply everything that's available. You can always revert back, and you cannot really break anything. I will show you some main features you can use within the advanced settings. But as I've mentioned already, trial and error are probably the best way to learn. Okay, within the layout, you'll be able to change margin and padding. You'll be able to add motion effects. You can add more visual effects within the transform section. You can rotate text. Change the offset. Change the scale of the text. And flip the text horizontal or vertical. You can change the background of your section. You can either choose classic background or you can also apply gradient. You can add some border to your section. You can change border radius. You can also choose normal mode or the hover over mode, which means that the editing you applied will only appear or disappear when you hover over it with the cursor of your mouse. This feature is available in all sections of Elementor editing. Once you're done editing, click Update to save changes. Next, we are going to add image to our section. Again, click on the plus button. This time, instead of text, we're just going to drag image into our page. Go back to navigation menu and click Choose Image. From this point, you'll be able to upload files from your computer. Once completed, click Update to save changes. Okay, next we're going to add YouTube video to our website. Let's click plus button, add single section, and add title to our video. A useful tip here: to avoid constantly editing newly created sections, you can copy and paste style from already created sections. Highlight the section you would like to paste style from. On this occasion, we would like to apply this same heading style that we applied to our previous section. Right-click, copy,
Now move it into the section you would like to apply style to, right click again and paste style. As you can see, the style have changed to match our previous section heading. Scroll down to the bottom, click plus again. This time we are going to add video. Drag video element into your section. By default, Elementor would insert its own video, but we can simply overtype the URL link and bring any video from YouTube you would like to add to your website. Highlight URL link and simply paste the URL you would like to add to your website. The video is now changed, allowing you to share your own media with your audience. Let's bring back editing menu and let's add a few more tweaks to our video. In a video option at the bottom of the content section, you can choose for the video to be set as autoplay, meaning as soon as the page is open, the video will start playing automatically. You can mute the video should you choose to. You can enable video to play on mobile. You can also set video to play in the loop mode. Once completed, move on to the Style tab. Because this is a single section including video only, the Style tab will not have many customization features other than aspect ratio. Once that's done, click on Advanced tab. Within the Advanced tab, you will be able to apply the same customization we applied to the text heading earlier in this video. Once completed, click Update to save changes. From this point onwards, continue to build your page using techniques you learned so far in this video. Add new section, drag and drop available element you'd like to show on your web page, and then using Elementor Editor, add your own content, apply your own style, and using advanced features, tweak positioning and add various effects to your newly added Elementor section. Make sure to periodically check how your page will look on different devices, and if need to, adjust settings to make sure your changes work on all platforms. Okay, we are now completed to edit our home page using Elementor Page Builder. Next, I'm going to show you how to edit, add, or remove pages on your website. Close down Elementor Editing, go back to your dashboard, and open your site in New tab. Go back to WordPress dashboard and click on Pages. First, we are going to edit existing page. As you can see, these are the pages already available in your website. Highlight About page and click Edit. Now, this will take you to the page itself. Within this menu, you can change the title of the page. Once completed, click Update to save changes. Go back to the dashboard, go to your website open in second tab, and click Refresh. As you can see, the About page are now changed to About Us page. If you would like to edit newly modified page, click on Edit Page, Edit with Elementor, and proceed to edit your page using already familiar techniques learned in this video. If you would like to add new page, go back to Dashboard, click Pages, and click Add New. This will take you to the brand new blank page, where you will be able to add title and edit page with Elementor. Once you give your page a title, click Publish to save changes. Go back to Dashboard, scroll down to Appearance, and choose Menus. Within Menu page on the left-hand side, you will see all available pages you can add to your website. Highlight your newly created page. In this case is a test page we just created, and click Add to Menu. Once completed, click Save Menu. Now go to your website and click Refresh. As you can see, a newly created test page is added to your website. If you would like to rearrange the order your pages is displayed on your website, go back to your dashboard, Appearance, Menus, choose the page you'd like to rearrange, and simply drag it into position you'd like to display your page. Once completed, click on Save Menu. Go back to your website, refresh it again, and your page is now moved in order you reshuffle it in the WordPress dashboard. If you would like to delete the page, go back to your dashboard, back to Appearance, Menus, select the page you would like to delete, expand it, and in the left-hand corner at the bottom of that page options, click Remove. Once completed, click Save Menu. Go back to your website, refresh it, and the page will disappear from Home menu. Okay, next we are going to learn how to edit, add, and delete blog posts from your website. If you wish to run the blog on your website, or to set up your website as a blog altogether, this theme already includes blog page. Click on blog, and as you can see, by default, this theme comes with one post already loaded on your website. Click on default Hello World post and click Edit Post. In here, you can change the title of the post, click Update in the top right hand corner to save the new title. You can also edit your post using Elementor Page Builder. You can edit your posts in exactly the same way we edited our web pages using Elementor Page Builder. To add new posts to your website, go back to Dashboard, highlight Posts, and click Add New. Give your new post a title, and click Publish. From this point onward, you can either click Edit with Elementor and start editing your page, or go back to your dashboard, then go to your website in the second tab, click on Blog, and as you can see, your new post will be added to your blog. If you would like to delete the post, go back to your dashboard, highlight Posts,
All posts. Choose the post you would like to delete, and at the bottom of the menu, choose Move to Trash. Click Apply to save changes. Go back to your website and refresh your blog page. As you can see, the latest posts are now deleted. Continue to add as much posts as you like, while editing them using Elementor Page Builder.
At last, I'm going to show you how to add a contact form to your web page and enable your audience to contact you directly through your website. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and find WP Forms on the left-hand side of the dashboard menu. WP Forms should be included in WordPress as a default. If somehow you haven't got this included in your WordPress, just go to your plugins and download it from there. Within the WP Forms, click Add New, and within the available templates, select Simple Contact Form. Click Use Template, and in the top right corner of the page, click Embed. Select Existing Page, and choose the page you'd like to add the form within your site. I'm going to choose Contact Us page, and click Let's Go. This will take you to the page you chose to add your form to. Click on Add Block, and in search look for WP Forms. Select WP Forms and choose Simple Contact Form we've just created from our template. Once done, click Update. Go back to your dashboard and visit your site. Click on Contact Us page, and our newly created form has been added to the page. This will now allow your audience to reach out to you directly through your website to the email address you've used to set up web hosting, although you can change that email to any email you'd like in WP settings.
And there we are. In under 1 hour, we managed to build a fully functional website. The information in this video covered the main steps to successfully build your site from start to finish. There are plenty more options within WordPress and Elementor that you could utilize and add to your website. The more you practice, use different options, apply various elements, it will become very easy to transfer your skills and use it in the same way on many other WordPress themes, should you choose to. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you did. And if there's any questions or comments that you'd like to raise, please leave them in this video description. In the meantime, goodbye, and I will see you in my next video.